Hey guys, today I'll explain what Airwallex is. So let's get started. Airwallex is a global financial technology platform that helps businesses manage money internationally in a simple and fast way. Instead of relying on traditional banks, companies use Airwallex to handle global payments, multiple currencies, and business spending, all in one place. With Airwallex, businesses can open multi-currency accounts, which means they can hold, receive, and send money in different currencies without needing separate bank accounts in each country. This is especially useful for freelancers, e-commerce stores, and global startups. One of the biggest features of Airwallex is international payments. Businesses can send money to suppliers or receive payments from customers around the world with lower fees and faster processing compared to traditional banking systems. It also provides virtual and physical corporate cards. Companies can give these cards to employees for business expenses like ads, software subscriptions, travel, or office costs. This helps track spending in real time and improves financial control. Another important feature is expense management. Every transaction is automatically recorded, categorized, and can be exported for accounting. This makes bookkeeping and tax reporting much easier for businesses. Airwallex also helps reduce foreign exchange costs by offering better exchange rates compared to many banks, which is a big advantage for international businesses. So basically, Airwallex is an all-in-one global financial platform that helps businesses send money, receive payments, and manage expenses more efficiently without the limits of traditional banking. That's it. I'll be back with more in the next video.